Applications of Generative AI. Welcome to this presentation on the applications of generative AI. Generative AI is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize various industries and aspects of our lives. In this presentation, we will explore some of the exciting applications of this technology and how it can be leveraged to solve real-world problems. Generative AI refers to a class of machine learning models that can generate new, original content, such as images, text, or even audio. These models are trained on large data sets and learn to mimic the patterns and characteristics of the data, allowing them to create novel outputs that are similar to the training data. One of the most well-known applications of generative AI is in the field of image generation. Models like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion can take a textual description as input and generate a corresponding image. This can be used for a variety of purposes, such as creating custom artwork, product visualizations, or even generating images for use in marketing and advertising. Another exciting application of generative AI is in the realm of text generation. Models like GPT-3 can be used to generate human-like text, ranging from short snippets to longer-form content such as articles, stories, or even code. This can be useful for tasks like content creation, language translation, or even automated writing assistance. For example, a marketing team could use a generative AI model to generate personalized product descriptions or social media posts, saving time and resources. Similarly, a writer could use a generative AI model to help generate ideas or draft initial versions of their work, which they can then refine and polish. Generative AI can also be applied to the field of music and audio generation. Models like MuseNet and Jukebox can be trained on large datasets of music and learn to generate new, original compositions. This can be used for a variety of applications, such as creating background music for videos, generating custom ringtones or soundtracks, or even assisting composers in the creative process. One potential use case for this technology is in the field of video game development, where generative AI could be used to procedurally generate unique and dynamic soundtracks that adapt to the player's actions and the game's environment. Generative AI can also be used in the field of scientific research and discovery. For example, models like AlphaFold can be used to predict the 3D structure of proteins, which is crucial for understanding their function and potential applications in fields like drug discovery and development. Similarly, generative AI models can be used to simulate complex physical systems, such as weather patterns or fluid dynamics, which can help researchers and scientists better understand and predict these phenomena. While the applications of generative AI are vast and exciting, it's important to note that there are also ethical considerations and potential risks associated with this technology. For example, the ability to generate realistic-looking fake images or text can be used for malicious purposes, such as disinformation or fraud. As generative AI continues to evolve, it will be crucial for researchers, developers, and policymakers to work together to ensure that this technology is used responsibly and ethically, with appropriate safeguards and regulations in place. In conclusion, generative AI is a powerful and versatile technology that has the potential to transform a wide range of industries and applications. From creative endeavors to scientific research and discovery, generative AI is opening up new possibilities and opportunities. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, it will be important to remain mindful of the ethical considerations and potential risks, and to work towards ensuring that generative AI is used in a responsible and beneficial manner. With the right approach, generative AI can be a powerful tool for driving innovation and solving complex problems.